Fighters are ready and was on now. They touch gloves and they are both orthodox. There's a body shot in the head, hook combinations from his speaker. There's the left hand. There's the right hand. Combinations from the speaker. Wala bang masyadong ginagawa sa Carolina. There's the body shot in a left hook combination. Right about solid hooks. And he got rocked. Body shot disconnects and he felt that one. He felt that one again. Tries to answer back. Double jab, right hand upstairs. That was beautiful. Looks like Alabama is going to take him apart here. That is beautiful. It's very aggressive, but underneath the right hand.